As you know, Instagram offers different features for your Instagram story. You can maybe add backgrounds to them, or maybe you can add some fun stickers. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a collage on your Instagram story. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to create a new story. So I swipe right, and from this icons that I see on the left, this third one, it says layout. That's the same thing as collage. I'm going to tap on it, and here you can even change the grid if you want. You have 6 different options. Let's say I want to choose this one, and now you could either take a photo, or you could choose something from your gallery, let's say like this. And before you choose all 3 photos, you cannot make changes to them. But after you choose all 3, let's say I took another photo. Now Instagram lets you make changes to their aspect ratio. Let's say maybe I want to do it like this. Maybe I want to do it like this. And then you want to tap on this check mark. And here you can mention different people. You can add effects to it. Let's say I want to add a cute effect. Like this one with the little heart in the middle. And you can also make it bigger or smaller in any way that you want. Maybe you want to make it like this. So there are just a lot of different things that you can do with this feature, and then you can just add it to your story. So basically that's it, and I hope you have a lot of fun creating different collages on Instagram. And if there's anything regarding the layout on Instagram that we haven't mentioned in this video, why don't you let us know in the comment section.